Leo the Explorer and the Whispering Woods. Manaim's cat, Leo, wasn't like other cats. While they were happy to nap in sunbeams, Leo dreamt of adventure. One sunny afternoon, a shimmering butterfly, with wings like stained glass, fluttered just beyond the garden fence. A mystery, Leo purred, his whiskers twitching with excitement. I must follow it. The butterfly led Leo to a part of the garden he'd never seen before, where an old stone wall was covered in thick green ivy. The butterfly disappeared right through the leaves. Taking a deep breath, Leo pushed his way through the ivy and tumbled into a world he couldn't have imagined. He had found the Whispering Woods. The trees were ancient and tall, with moss that glowed with a soft green light. The air hummed with a gentle magic. A tiny field mouse with a backpack made of a leaf trembled on a branch above him. Oh dear, my berry basket, the mouse squeaked. Leo looked down and saw a tiny woven basket, tipped over, with glowing moonberries scattered on the ground. Don't worry, little friend, Leo said bravely. I'll help you. He gently nudged the berries back into the basket with his nose. Oh, thank you, said the mouse, scrambling down. I'm Pip. To thank you, I'll help you solve the riddle of the Whispering Creek. He pointed a tiny paw towards a sparkling stream. It said that if you listen closely, the water will tell you a secret. Leo leaned close to the water. At first, all he heard was the gentle babbling. But then, a soft, musical whisper seemed to rise from the ripples. To find the heart of the woods, it sang, follow the path where the stones hum a tune. Humming stones? Leo wondered. Pip scampered ahead, his ears twitching. He led Leo to a path of smooth, gray river stones. When Leo stepped on them, a low, melodic hum vibrated through his paws. Each stone played a different note. By hopping on the stones in the right order, Leo played a beautiful melody. As the last note faded, a section of the path glowed brightly, and a hidden staircase of roots and vines spiraled up a giant tree. You did it, chirped Pip. You have a brave and clever heart. Leo and Pip climbed the staircase. At the top, they found a cozy treehouse nestled in the branches. Inside, a wise old owl with spectacles made of dewdrops was waiting. Welcome, Leo the Explorer, the owl hooted softly. The woods have been waiting for someone with a kind heart and a curious mind. Leo spent the rest of the afternoon listening to the owl's stories about the magic of the woods. He learned that true courage wasn't about being fearless, but about helping others, even when you're a little bit scared. As the sun began to set, he knew this was only his first adventure in the Whispering Woods.